If you're having trouble logging into your Plenty of Fish account, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through some common solutions to fix those pesky login issues. So let's get started. First up, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause login problems. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if you're on a computer. Double check that you're entering the correct username and password. If you're not sure, click on the Forget Username or Forget Password link to reset your details. Now, if you're using a web browser, clearing your cache and cookies can sometimes resolve login issues. Here's how. For Chrome, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and clear browsing data. Select cookies and other sites, cached images, and Flare, and then click on Delete Browsing Data. For Firefox, go to Options, then on Privacy and Security, and lastly on Cookies and the site data, and click Clear Data. If you've tried all the steps above and still can't log in, it's time to contact POF Support. Go to the POF Help Center and submit a support request. Provide them with details about your issue so they can assist you better. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helps you get back into your Plenty of Fish account.